What if you wanted to add checkboxes to your to-do list? Let me show you how. Since all of my lines are grouped together, I can simply click on them and move them in to create room or space for checkboxes. Then I'll go to my left-hand toolbar and grab my rectangle tool, bring it to my page, press and hold Shift to create a perfect square. Now, as you can see, my square has fill, and I want to remove that fill. So I'll do that by going to the right-hand toolbar to the Swatches tab. I'll press my fill tool, and then the little circle next to it with the red line through it. That will remove my fill. Now for my stroke, I can go to the Stroke tab, and right now it's set at a 2, which I think is perfect, and I have applied a pressure to my checkbox, which I like. Now I'll go to the left-hand side and grab my Move tool and press and hold Shift while I make that checkbox a little smaller. And I want that checkbox to align with not only the line but also this border. And sometimes you need to click on the thing that you want it to align to. I'm going to press Option and scroll in so I can see it a little closer. All right, and now you can see by the red and green lines that I'm aligned perfectly. Now I can press Option and Shift and drag to get my next one. Or I can press Command J. And these aren't perfectly aligned now, but we'll fix that. Now I'm going to press Option and scroll out and highlight some of those boxes and press Option and drag and drop. So I'm getting more all at once. And then I'll drag and drop all of them. And I'll go up to the top toolbar and press my alignment tool, and I'll align them left and evenly space them vertically. But they're still not right. So I'll press Option and scroll in. And I'll go through the task of lining them up. What I'll do is I'll highlight my lines. I'll right click, ungroup, so that I can click on each line separately and align the box to the line. See how that makes it so much easier? And now we have a to-do today worksheet with checkboxes.